Hello everyone and welcome back to Milo Farms. Well, we're out here today and we are doing a quick checkup on the trailer before we head out tomorrow for our first trip, and just doing a quick walk around, doing the lubrication of the grease zerks on the suspension and the doors and all that, checking the tires, checking the air in the tires, and came across a little problem. It definitely brings to light something that you should check every time you use your trailer and every year when you get ready to pull it out, is the tires. I'm not sure when this tire right here had an issue, but it clearly did not have a good year. So as you can see here, right on top, the steel belt, I think that's the steel belt there, is showing, and it actually peeled away on this side and also peeled away on this side, and then the actual tread part is loose and shifted over to this side, probably when it backed in the driveway and turned sideways and pushed on it, would be my guess. But I'm surprised it didn't come apart any further driving down the road. But that's why it always brings to light that you definitely need to check on that. I checked a couple places around town to go pick one of these up real quick since we're getting ready to leave tomorrow. I called a couple of tire shops, and then I called a big box store and found the cheapest tire, as I suspected would be, at the local trailer shop. So I'm going to head over there right now and pick up a tire, get that thrown on, and we'll be back in business. So just a quick reminder, always check your tires, always check your trailer, your lights, everything before the season starts. And remember, you can't finish a project without getting started.